with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we've been tracking visibility at a quarter to a half a mile. You can see that into the Providence area if you're trying to make your way over the I-way, and luckily not many folks are. You can see difficult conditions with the snow blowing sideways from our Narragansett beach camera, and the camera lens there melting at times. As the winds are gusting, I could actually just a few moments ago see the snow just getting swept off of the rooftops here down at the beach, and that's the sort of scenario that we're going to see. Meanwhile, if you're traveling a little farther up the bay, up towards Oakland Beach right now, visibility is a little bit better, and we can make out why right on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Boy, we have been just sitting in this band of heavy snow across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. Notice this is very slowly pinwheeling to the north and west, but it's pretty much sitting over Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. We do get some varying intensities. Here's where it's lightened up a little bit. So you saw the visibility better at Oakland Beach. So you'll be sort of in and out of those heavy snowfall bands where we're seeing rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour regularly, and at times some 2 and 3 inch per hour rates. And that's the sort of snow that we're seeing across the far northern part of Rhode Island right now. Woonsocket, Cumberland, Burrillville, Foster, Gloucester, in that very intense snow. You can make out these bands as I remove that winter radar. Two really prominent ones right now up across the northern part of Rhode Island and then filling back in along the coastline. So we saw those cameras from Narragansett, Newport with some very poor visibility. And as of about a half hour ago, snowfall amounts over a half a foot in West Greenwich. Coventry now with 4.5 inches of snow. West Warwick closing in on 4 inches. Attleboro and New Bedford each with 3 inches of snow. And those amounts are lining up well with what we anticipate with this storm. So by midday should have about 8 or 9 inches of snow by noon, and more than a foot expected by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, or at least around a foot, with the highest amounts 12 to 18 inches of snow across most of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, with a little less the farther west that you go. But I would not be surprised if we end up on the high side of these totals in places like West Greenwich and Coventry that are already seeing 5 and 6 inches of snow. So storm impacts high with this storm for snow, the potential for outages with the winds that we're seeing, and very difficult travel. Initially in the night, we did see a little bit of rain and that wet snow melting as it hit the pavement, but that has ended several hours ago. We've just been seeing heavy snow now. Oakland Beach and Warwick, 34 degrees. Feels much colder when you add in the winds. 34 in Westerly, feels like 22. Gusts over 30 miles per hour. Sustained winds out of the north at about 21 miles per hour. North Kingstown at 34, feels like 26, and 32 degrees now in Cumberland, dropping 2 degrees. Well, the colder air will continue to move in, and that has changed the consistency of the snow from a heavy and wet consistency to a drier consistency that will be blowing and drifting in these sort of winds that we're anticipating here in the next few hours. So 10 o'clock this morning, some gusts over 50 miles per hour possible, especially along the coastline. But notice these strong winds midday. 40 to 50 miles per hour, many spots. Highest wind gusts eastern Massachusetts, Cape Cod, where there's a blizzard warning in effect, but whiteout conditions into late afternoon and early evening. This is at 5 o'clock, so notice as the winds turn to the northwest, our storm starts to depart. The strongest winds will lift out of Rhode Island. Here's the center of our storm. You can really make out that counterclockwise flow on our satellite and radar imagery, and a closer look at what we expect to happen over the rest of the daytime. We have a very long day ahead of us. This is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Still those bands of heavy snow here in southern New England. As we move towards evening, the intensity of the snow will start to ease up, and notice it dries up in the late evening hours from southwest to northeast. So by tomorrow morning's commute, there's no new snow falling, but we are still dealing with some lingering impacts, because even after the snow stops, blowing and drifting snow will make it difficult to keep roads clear. Low 30s throughout the length of this storm overnight tonight, falling into the mid and upper 20s. 7-day Futurecast. I do have a snow shower in the forecast towards the late afternoon and evening tomorrow. Not a big deal. I don't expect any additional accumulations, but a brisk day and a cool day, and the temperature staying below normal into the start of the weekend before they start to moderate. And out of view on that 7-day right now, our computer model is trying to bring another storm in the middle of next week. Let's go out to Melissa, get another check on the Pinpoint traffic.